I think there are three drivers primarily that are pushing transformation. I think the first is clearly the growth agenda in terms of products and reaching new customers. The second is fee pressure that's occurring across the marketplace. And then the third ultimately is around cost pressures that are rising in many of our clients and organizations out there. In terms of growth, while many of our clients have seen significant inflows of business, the majority of the industry has actually grown a lot more due to asset appreciation than they actually have in terms of client inflows. It's not necessarily a very healthy model to be in, and one that's being remedied as we speak. And firms are looking at this in a few different ways. They're trying to attract more customers. They're trying to have more products so that when they have customers, existing or new ones, that they actually have more products to offer their customers and keep more of the share of the wallet within their own firms. And then they're also looking at going into new geographies, new regions, whether it's for investment opportunity or to attract new customers. When you think about the fee pressure, it's happening in all sorts of shapes and forms of firms, of investment management firms. Some of the larger institutional and retail shops are feeling fee pressure around money market funds. Others are seeing pressures as a result of opportunities and low-cost products from ETFs. If you go down to the alternative space, similarly with ETFs, for example, there's pressure where folks can get exposure to either hedge or to specific types of markets and sectors through an ETF, a low-cost ETF, and therefore it puts a little bit more pressure in terms of some of the products that are being generated and the fees that are being paid for them. If I switch over to costs for a second, I think there are a few drivers. First is the cost with regulatory compliance. Regulations continue to evolve, although many of them are behind us in the investment management sector. But the cost to comply continue to mount, and the amount of people, technology, and operations is been multiplying.